The First Lady of Uganda, Janet Museveni, has today given an update about the development or change, a very big change coming in that will include removing what is called boarding school from universal primary, universal secondary schools. So schools who are having universal primary, that is UPE or the USE for secondary, are soon going to see this big change coming into force. So these are the 5 things that you need to know, the 5 key things that you must know. The first one is there have been concerns about compulsory boarding. The First Lady acknowledges concerns about compulsory boarding, about P6 and P7 pupils forced to become boarders in primary schools, citing high school fees and parental help. And also the second thing you need to know from this same development, the campaign in the boarding section. The First Lady has opposed the compulsory boarding section in public schools and the universal primary education and universal secondary education. She emphasized that no class should be forced into boarding. And also the third thing that you need to know from the address of the First Lady, exploitation by schools. She has accused schools and local government of exploiting parents by forcing parents and learners into boarding section to extort or make huge money from them. The fourth thing that you also need to know is protection of the education accessibility. The First Lady has stressed the importance of working together to protect the accessibility and also the affordability of the education system in the country. Then lastly, which is the fifth one, collaboration and appreciation. She appreciates feedbacks from DEC members and encourages continued support to address challenges. And she also acknowledges support to introduce patriotism training for students and road maintenance progress. So these are the things, the 5 things that you must know from the development by the First Lady of Uganda, who also doubles as the Minister of Education. So that is the first thing that has drawn attention of many people that needs you to get to know this. Prepare earlier for big change. Thank you so much.